Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kamukam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but kiwai pandap khap mania fila pan call haki niki number.
Pumentri ke Sorka Jala Ubakmi ikatran jungokai bertheu ba polling do hakalai potre ujimang alatar posan ulatak renting iki national media ki bajar kerteng yak migilai kom crime prone hill leni jalak bajurba ki kamruna roser kani jing syak keno lam ler ke jala migalaya hakilat pthai kubor nari thor kalong halor ke jing jarangai nadu kar pusau tre ujimang alatar posan jangki arngut ki syukurim na Indore Madhya Pradesh ki belit Shankai Suwari syakashnong sora Hakajinya kerana mekilat patai kubor ba pol ulang baya kene kejing event ba nyo shiliang khmat jagi national media Sharit Thor ka Sarkar Meghalaya kan sahab ban ujor shakibor ki bahalor
has dubbed Meghalaya as a crime-prone state, but I'm not surprised because the national media, or at least a big section of it, has always had these bias against the Northeast. But we will take this up at the appropriate level. And yesterday, when I was at the program where we had the parasailing contest for the past 5 days, all the luminaries who had attended were from various parts of the country. And they said that they have not noticed a state which is as responsible and as clean and as peaceful as Meghalaya. So it's really unfortunate, but then again, this just shows the bias that they have against the